Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamad Ikram. Today I will talk about the environmental challenges in Malaysia and how we can learn from a successful example like Sweden. Malaysia is facing serious environmental problems. These include air, water, and land pollution, deforestation, and the effects of climate change. These issues threaten human health, wildlife habitats, and the stability of the ecosystem. Let's look at Malaysia's current situation. First, pollution. Overburning and forest fires often cause severe haze. Our rivers are also polluted with industrial and domestic waste. On land, garbage is not properly separated or recycled. Second, deforestation. Many forests are cleared for palm oil plantations. This puts endangered species like the Malayan tiger at risk. And third, climate change. Malaysia experiences more floods, droughts, and heat waves. Cities like Kuala Lumpur are becoming urban heat islands due to rapid development and lack of greenery. Now let's look at Sweden, one of the world's most environmentally friendly countries. In Sweden, less than 1% of waste go to landfills. Most waste is recycled or used to produce energy. Over 50% of Sweden's energy comes from renewable sources like wind, hydro, and biofuel. They also introduced a carbon tax in 1991 to reduce emissions and encourage clean energy. Their cities are planned with lots of green spaces and public transport in clean, efficient. Here is the comparison between Malaysia and Sweden. Malaysia has low recycling rates, less than 30%. Sweden recycles or reuses over 99% of its waste. Malaysia depends heavily on fossil fuels. Sweden relies more on renewable energy. In Malaysia, environmental laws are often not enforced properly. In Sweden, the government strictly implements green policies. Lastly, environmental awareness in Malaysia is still low, while in Sweden, environmental education starts from the young age. Based on this comparison, here are 4 recommendations for Malaysia. 1. Build waste to energy plants to reduce landfill use. 2. Invest more in renewable energy, especially solar power. 3. Introduce environmental education in schools and communities. And the fourth one is implement a carbon tax and enforce stronger environmental laws. In conclusion, Malaysia has a lot to improve, but by learning from Sweden's example, we can move toward a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future. That's all from me. Thank you.